It's rainy in Barcelona, but construction at Camp Nou is moving forward steadily. Today, we'll cover all key zones: Gol Sur, the Lateral Parking Area, Gol Norte, Tribuna, and the corners. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and try YouTube's hype feature to support the channel. Let's get started. At Gol Sur, the upper glass panels are fully installed and illuminated. Brick walls are complete, and ceiling work is ongoing. Some top panels are still being placed, but the area is well organized and progressing steadily. Lamella supports remain unchanged from previous days, with new installations expected soon in this important section today. In the lateral zone and parking area, fences have been removed, and service doors are ready for public access. The first parking level is fully concreted. Many pillars have been reinforced, and several are already set in formwork. Alveolar panels are being installed, and protective nets are in place. Cantilevered staircases have reached the next level, and ferraya installation continues. Minor areas still need attention, but overall progress is strong, reliable, steady, and very consistent. Gol Norte shows excellent progress. Concrete floors are complete, and access doors are installed. New Jersey barriers are being positioned to guide public flow. The diamond section has advanced significantly, with vertical green formwork panels in place. Workers are preparing reinforcement and slabs for upcoming concrete pours. Platforms and scaffolding are active in this busy and very important construction area now. In the Tribune, staircases and pillars are being prepared with esquadras and formwork. Collaborative slabs are ready for pouring, and escalators are covered to protect them from rain. Inside, red seats in the press area and Gol Sur animation section are mostly installed. Temporary seating in the Gol Norte press cabin is also progressing well, with steady, consistent, and reliable development happening now. The corner zones are active with ferraya placement and slab preparation. Interior corridors are organized, and club cameras and vinyls are installed and protected. Workers continue reinforcing pillars and setting up formwork for upcoming concrete pours. Progress here is consistent, steady, reliable, and very encouraging overall today. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. Despite the rain, progress is strong across all zones, including Gol Sur, the lateral parking area, Gol Norte, Tribuna, and the corners. Don't forget to like, hype, and subscribe for daily updates. See you in the next exciting stadium update very soon again.